Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another promotional video. We're here with 1Confident, Roun part. Big up Confident, G. Big up yourself, fam. You're very active in the comment section. You don't know, say, yeah, one of them comments where I always look out for. So, guys, what I want to do for me, I want to go over his page. I'm going to leave a link to the page down below. Go over to his page and follow him, subscribe, and comment. Just comment on the video itself and make it know, say, yo, a 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 game I send you. You understand? Him have other projects over there too. So, you don't know. We're out here, we are putting in the work. So the G reach out to me and say, yo, you want to do some work? So I say, all right, then work I do. We're still in the month of November. So you don't know, say, we are doing the do. We have the promotional deal. Go on. Some people message me, ask me for price. We get them price, and I hear back from them. That cool. Some people reach out and say, yo, them want to do the work. So the G saying they want to do the work. So I could jump in the one and hear it confident. I said, Roun one part. Let's go.
Yeah. Confident.
Yeah.
Roun one part. Feel like a joke thing. Roun one part.
Yeah.
Roun one part. Where every light gun place dark. Only the matic them charge.
Roun one part where every light gone. Place dark. Only the matic them charge. No, just check it, no man. Pre that, no man. Just pre it, no man.
Roun one part. Where every light gun place dark. Only the matic them charge.
Roun
one part. Be a pit bull in a me yard. Rifle parking at the garage.
Hear that? I be a pit bull in my yard. Rifle them park up in a garage. But I be a pit bull out at the front of the yard. If you're so lucky, if you pass the pit bull them out there, so members of the rifle them lean up right there. So I'm in the right there. So oh boy, I got dead.
Roun one part.
Yeah.
Be a pit bull in a me yard. Rifle parking at the garage.
Roun one
part.
Yeah.
K them long like giraffe. Extension clip another dwarf.
K them long like giraffe. Extension clip another dwarf. I like the flow. Roun one is very catchy. It's very catchy. I see what you did there, Confident. That's very. I like it.
Roun one part. K them long like giraffe. Extension clip another dwarf.
Roun one
part.
Yeah.
True confident, not at them boy. You feel some man soft. Roun one part.
True confident, not really to talk. True the G don't really up on the wall for talking. Them feel say the G soft. How see you think me a baby diaper? Huh? You think me a feel up mango? Hey boy, not no soft boy, not because we don't know what for talking with the brother. Don't take your silence for our weakness, you know? Eh? Man, we set up like a hippopotam. Big up Fire Nation Music. Big up yourself. Production team.
True confident, not at them boy. You feel some man soft.
Roun one part. Yeah.
Confident, no fist fight. Pan the head, laser beam a pitch bright.
We no fist fight, brother. Trigger finger never lazy though. Trigger finger, work it. Yeah. We no fist fight, brother.
Part. Confident, no fist fight. Pan the head, laser beam a pitch bright. Me no boy can't heal with bitch vice. Rasta no participate in a fish life.
Yo, no boy can't yell me with no bitch voice. But hi, are you bumbuckler? Put some bass in the verse when I yell bad. Youth, walk on me G. You're good. I say you feel heal blood clot bad man boy. Nobody feel like you can heal man like no bitch. Hey bitch, fish dish, oh I'm here boy. Hey youth. No play with the blood clot generally no youth. When you heal man, you have to make sure so you put bass in your voice. Like Stone Love Head boy. Know yourself. Blood clot.
Right. Me no boy can't heal with bitch vice. Rasta no participate in a fish life. China came and get them cheap. And me a touch me chin wife. Smoke up the whole place on me spliff light. Middle day midnight. Roun one part. Where every light can place dark. Only the matic them charge.
Roun one part.
Be a pit bull in a me yard. Rifle parking at the garage. Roun one part. K them long like giraffe. Extension clip another dwarf. Roun one part. True confident, not at them boy. You feel some man soft. Roun one part. Without no foot, watch how me gun walk. Step to the boy, the fast will love talk.
Bruh. Without no foot, watch how me gun walk. Watch it now. Disappear. Houdini. Magician. Take boy life. Vamos. Full pop. Gone.
Without no foot, watch how me gun walk. Step to the boy, the fast will love talk. Knife in a throat, man, your tongue frat. John with your own blood, what a bloodbath.
Graphic scenes. I like it. Step to the boy, the will love talk. Me now waste a shot, me now come close to him now. Ratchet in the neck. Watch how him tongue frat. John and him one blood in a dog. Had this right there, bro. Personal. I like it.
Knife in a throat, man, your tongue frat. John with your own blood, what a bloodbath.
Yeah.
Me gonna clad people that run fast. Tool a spark bright for fool was skull class.
Ooh. Me gonna clad people run fast. Two last spark bright. For fool we skull class. Two cutlass, two machete. Spark bright. Remember, so when you gash machete, like a pan of stone, you know, you see fire, gash off fight, you know. Two last. Gash light. The fool we skull class. You get it?
Me gonna clad people that run fast. Tool a spark bright for fool was skull class. Berita shake up the place, turn them over like rum glass.
Earthquake style. Berta shake up the place when that boss here say, oh, what that? Yeah? Yes, man. Shake up the place. Turn you over like a rum glass. Boom, tip over, capsize.
The fool was skull class. Berita shake up the place, turn them over like rum glass. Roun a one part, where every light gun place dark. Only the matic them charge. Roun a one part. Be a pit bull in a me yard. Rifle parking at the garage. Roun a one part. K them long like giraffe extension. Clip another waff. Roun a one part. True confident, not at them. Boy, your face them and soft. Roun a one part. Confident, no fist fight. Pan the head, laser beam a pitch bright. Me no boy can't heal with bitch vice. Rasta no participate in a fish life. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 get them cheap. And me a touch Mr. Chin wife. Smoke up the whole.
I missed a part there earlier on. 𝐑𝐄𝐂 get them cheap. So we are touch Mr. Chin wife. 𝐑𝐄𝐂, the K them come from China. We are get them cheap. You know why? Because we are touch Mr. Chin wife. And Mr. Chin are the last to know. Mr. Kamek is a fool. Big up Mr. Chin still, but you're last to know. The fool is always the last to know. So the wife have the link. And I give to me because me a touch her. And me a take off her panty. She ain't no Japanese, but me make her dress Japanese. Whoa. Bars.
𝐑𝐄𝐂 get them
Bars.
cheap. And me a touch Mr. Chin wife. Smoke up the whole place when we spliff light. Middle day midnight. Roun a one part, where every light can place dark. Only the matic them charge.
Roun a one
part. Be a pit bull in a me yard. Rifle parking at the garage. Roun a one part. K them long like giraffe extension. Clip another waff.
Roun a one
part. True confident, not at them. Boy, your face them and soft.
Roun a one part. Humbugler, confident. Big up myself. Confident. You're a message to you, 𝐑𝐄𝐂. We want music videos, dog. We want videos. 2023 now, bro. Have you put in some work, dog? We want videos, bro. This bad, you know? This bad. But I think it would have been better if you had like a video where some rifleman stand up around one part in the darkness, you know? All you can see is just you silhouette them and the rifle them and thing. You know what I mean, bro? Yeah, dog. We need some music videos, bro. We need videos, bro. I'm looking at your channel right now and I'm seeing lots of audios. Bro, we need videos, bro. We need videos. Become a self-confident. Become a self. Guys, do me a favor, please. I don't know if you go over my page and support him still. You see me? We need to get him to 1K sub. Is that 635 at the moment when this video do? 1K sub. You can do that to me, right? You can do that to me, right? Talk it truth. You can do that. You know what? You can do that, right? Drop some like on the video too. Link to this channel is in the description. Link to the song is in the description. Jump in the comment section and say, yo, listen, come from, no, forward from 𝐑𝐄𝐂 Game and React channel. So, big up yourself. Confident, big up yourself, bro. Big up the production team also behind that one. Doing a good job. Rhythm bad. Rhythm choice is very nice as well. The construction of the song is bad. I like it. Roun a one part, that's very catchy. That's going to be in my head for the rest of the day, you know. We like it. Guys, please do remember, November not finished yet. So the promotional deal is still going, you see me? So you can link up, see me, make a drink up, you know? Alright. So this is what we're going to do. Still, if you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new. I will see you. Yes, I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.